Tired of missing out on important messages because your Facebook Messenger notifications are Mia? Well, don't worry. In the next minute and a half, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to get those notifications back on track, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, let's dive into your phone's settings. Tap on the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Scroll down until you find notifications and tap on it. This section controls how apps alert you. Now, find Facebook Messenger in the list of apps and tap on it. Make sure the Allow Notifications switch is toggled on. Also, double-check that sounds and badges are enabled if you want those visual and auditory cues. Next, let's check the notification settings within the Messenger app itself. Open Messenger and tap on your profile picture, usually located in the top left corner. Scroll down until you see Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. Ensure that the main switch for notifications is turned on. Also, review the individual settings below, such as message notifications and call notifications, to customize what you want to be alerted about. A weak internet connection can also be the culprit. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have adequate cellular data. Finally, ensure you have the latest version of the Messenger app. Head to the App Store, search for Facebook Messenger, and tap Update if available. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have your Facebook Messenger notifications working perfectly again. Now you can stay connected without missing a thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.